Yes, so my people, I'm just peeling my plantain, fresh plantain. Guys, I'll be roasting this plantain. I need some iron. I've lost some iron. I have anemia. So guys, roasting plantain is sweet. I'll be roasting it also with roasting potatoes. Guys, today I'm going to imagine what I want chop. I want to eat. I want eat too. I want eat now. I go dey tap am so. Cut am. This is how we cut it. This one strong bole plantain wa wan eat am. Bole na bole. Bole na bole na bole. Na so we dey do am, guys. We dey peel am. Bole na bole. Bole na bole. Guys, it's very simple. The plantain no hard to. This one a Colombian plantain. You see the plantain, they come out Colombia. Guys, that's how they do am. I see this sweet cut them like this. Hey, Cameroon they chop better thing. Iron will sabi. I think Cameroon girls are strong. Oh. Nigeria guys they marry Cameroon girls because they strong plantain and a strong women. Hard women. Good character. They know we all get good character. It depends on where you come out. The plantain they make you strong. Cameroon women are very strong. Strong women, guys. Maybe this is my plantain. Guys, now I will cut potatoes to cut. Now so I'll cut them like this. I know why they cut them. Make it burn, it reach right inside. It go enter inside. Everything inside. Go they wash them. Go they wash them. My people. Now what you want eat this my dinner. I will be doing pepper. And I know I had a chop for Africa. Pepper, it has been long I've not eaten it. Pepper with go do pepper oil and roasted plantains. Guys, follow me to roast my plantain. Guys, and my oven be that. Let's drop it together. Let's put our plantain. This one a better plantain where they give iron. If you no get iron, chop plantain. They hear me. The water go. Emerenge. You dey hear me? You dey feel me well. Eat plantain, guys. This one now no be with chicken, no. Na just burning plantain. No be with chicken, no. Na just burning plantain, guys. Look at it. Don't stay where I give una this vibe. It's not with chicken, it's not with roasted fish, it's not with real chicken. This one today is with oil.